You're wasting hours organizing your research notes, copying information from one document to another, building tables by hand when AI could do it in seconds. Meanwhile, NotebookLM just got 2 updates that change everything, and most people have no idea these features even exist. Hey, I'm Hada, and I help people learn how to actually use AI tools in their daily work, not just talk about them, but actually implement them. And today, I'm breaking down the latest NotebookLM updates that just dropped. These aren't just small improvements. These are features that completely change how you work with research and notes. We're talking about AI that turns messy notes into organized tables, export features that finally let you move your work wherever you need it, and I'll show you exactly how to use both of these right now. If you've been using NotebookLM, you know the struggle. You create all this amazing content in the platform, study guides, briefing documents, notes, but then it just sits there, locked inside NotebookLM. You can't easily share it with your team, can't collaborate in real time, can't edit it in the tools you already use every day. That changed on December 18th. Google just added export functionality to everything you create in NotebookLM. Here's how it works. Go to your Studio panel. That's where all your saved content lives. Find whatever you've created. Could be a study guide, a briefing document, saved notes, anything. Click the 3 dots next to it. You'll see a new option, Export. Click that and you get 2 choices, Google Docs or Google Sheets. Pick the one that makes sense for what you're doing. The smart part is this. NotebookLM automatically detects if your content has tables in it. If it does, it sends it straight to Sheets. If it doesn't, it goes to Docs. No manual formatting needed. No copying and pasting individual sections. No trying to recreate the structure yourself. It just works, and everything stays editable. You can tweak the content in Docs, sort and filter tables in Sheets, add your own notes, share it with teammates, whatever you need. This matters more than you think. Before this update, NotebookLM was basically a solo tool. You could use it for your own research, your own study sessions, your own note-taking. But collaboration was a pain. Now it's different. Students can create study guides in NotebookLM and export them to Docs to share with classmates. Teams can build briefing documents and export them to Sheets for group editing. Researchers can organize their findings and move everything into the collaborative workspace their institution already uses. When I first started using AI tools like this, I was overwhelmed. There are so many options out there, so many features, so many workflows to learn. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. The second update is even bigger. It's called Data Tables, and this is the one that saves you serious time. Here's the problem it solves. You have information spread across multiple sources, meeting transcripts, research papers, class notes, articles, whatever. You need to organize all of that into a table. Normally, you'd spend hours going through everything, pulling out the key information, typing it into a spreadsheet, making sure the formatting is consistent. It's tedious work. Data Tables does it automatically. Upload your sources to NotebookLM. Could be PDFs, Google Docs, web pages, whatever format you're working with. Then just ask for a data table. Tell NotebookLM what kind of table you need. The AI reads through everything, finds the relevant information, organizes it into rows and columns, builds you a clean, structured table. No manual work required. The key with data tables is being specific with your request. Don't just say, "Make me a table." Tell NotebookLM exactly what you want. If you need a comparison table, make sure your sources actually contain comparison data. If you want action items, verify your sources mention tasks and deadlines. The AI can only work with what you give it. Quality input gets you quality output. And here's the workflow that works best. Create the table in NotebookLM first. Review it to make sure it captured everything correctly, then export it to Google Sheets. That's where the real power comes in. In Sheets, you can filter the data, sort by different columns, add formulas for calculations, create charts and graphs, share it with your team for collaborative editing, set up conditional formatting to highlight important items. The initial table from NotebookLM is your foundation. Sheets is where you refine it and make it work for your specific needs. Right now, Data Tables is available for Pro and Ultra users. If you have one of those plans, you can use it today. Free users will get access soon. Google confirmed they're rolling it out to everyone over the next few weeks. So if you don't see it yet, just wait. It's coming. Let me talk about why this update matters so much. Before Data Tables, organizing information was a manual process. You'd open your sources, read through everything, copy relevant bits into a spreadsheet, format the cells, make sure everything lined up. It took forever. Now NotebookLM handles that entire process in minutes. You just need to tell it what you want. This is perfect for anyone who works with information: students organizing study materials for finals, teams tracking tasks and project deadlines, researchers comparing data across multiple studies, business analysts building competitive intelligence reports, content creators organizing research for articles or videos. Anyone who's ever thought, "I wish someone would just organize all this for me." That's what Data Tables does. And the export feature ties it all together. Create your table in NotebookLM, export to Sheets. Now you can work with it however you need. Add it to your existing project management system. Share it with stakeholders who aren't using NotebookLM. Download it as an Excel file if you need to work offline. Print it out for meetings, whatever your workflow requires. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences: what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Try it out. See what tables you can create, export them, and refine them in Sheets. Build this into your regular process. And let me know in the comments what you're using it for. I want to hear how you're applying these features in your actual work. What tables are you generating? What workflows are you building? What's working well? And what challenges are you running into? That helps everyone learn and improve together. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.